First, check whether there's enough water in the solution tank. Then, standing behind the machine, start from the lower right side of the machine. Locate the water outlet of the solution tank. Unplug this tube. Look at the water flow. If the water flows out smoothly, then follow the tube. Check if the water valve is fully turned on. Then after turning on the valve, check if the filter is blocked. If they are all good, unplug this tube. Check whether the water flow is normal here. If it's normal here, then go up to the solenoid valve. After getting behind the solenoid valve, if there's any issue with the solenoid valve, the water outlet should be abnormal here. If it's normal here, then go to the other side of the solenoid valve. Then this is a brush plate. See if there is any water coming out here. Then go further. If it's normal here, go to the front of the solenoid valve, close to the brush motor here. Then disconnect the pipe. Check the water flow. See if this amount of water is normal. If not normal, then it could be issue with the solenoid valve. You can check if there is a bend in a certain section of the pipeline just checked, any clogs in the tube.